Hi viewers, welcome to Sadhguru Vlogs YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Hi Andy. Now let us learn present perfect tense. First of all, let me explain what is the present perfect tense. In this expression you can understand. Present perfect tense. Present ఇప్పుడు perfect ఇప్పుడే 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 now see just now recently just before. These are the three indications to explain present perfect tense. Once see, let us concentrate on the structure first of all. What is the structure of present perfect tense? Present perfect tense structure is subject plus have or has. When do we use have? When do we use has? Let us learn later. Subject plus have or has plus V3 verb form 3 plus object. Once again let us see. Subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. See, based on this structure, let us construct a sentence. Subject, as usually we discussed, I or we or you or they. First of all, who are these persons? I, first person singular. We, first person plural. You, second person singular. నువ్వు ఒక్కడివే ఉంటే you. And as well as you, second person plural. For plural also the same word, second person plural. They, third person plural. They. See, I, we, you, they. This all let us consider as a subject. Okay? Plus, for these four persons, we have to use have. Have. Now see, I have, we have, you have, they have. Now, V3 form. V3 means, for example, verb. Let us take a complete. I'm sorry, I will write now after explaining V3 form of complete. See, complete V1, completed V2, completed V3. Okay? Now see, complete V1 form is there. Let us change it into V3. Completed. I have completed. We have completed. You have completed. They have completed. Subject plus have plus V3 plus object. So work. Work is an object. See here, work is an object. Now let us compare this example with the structure. Subject plus have plus V3 plus object. I have completed work. We have completed work. You have completed work. they have completed work. Okay. Now let us say this complete sentence along with these indications. I have completed work just now. Recently, we have completed work. You have completed work just before. You know, they have completed the work recently. They have completed the work just now. Just before we have completed the work. Okay. Understand? Now let us learn about where we have to use has. See, when we say I, we, you, they, the remaining person, third person singular. Who are third person singular? He, she, it. See, he, she, it. For these persons, we have to use has. Has. See here, subject plus has plus V3. Same, let us take same verb, completed. Completed. Okay, plus V3. Work as an object. Object. See here. He has completed work, but he have completed work is wrong. That's why have is used for only these persons. We should not use has for here, have for here. Understand? Okay. He has completed work, she has completed work, it has completed work. See here, recently it has completed work. Just now, she has completed work. Just before he has completed work. So along with the indications, see, everything is possible, my dears. Everything is possible. But just the keywords are very important. When we are able to know these keywords, very, very easy to speak English. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Once you practice these keywords, structures, sentences. Keywords, structures, sentences. So thank you very much for watching our channel. If you like this video, just comment and have a thumb and share. Thank you very much and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.